Hello DP Math students. Today we'll be solving a question related to integration and area of a region enclosed by a curve and x-axis. So the question reads, let fx equal to 1 over root 3x minus 6 for x greater than 2. And for part A, find integral fx squared dx. Part of the graph of f is shown in the diagram. The shaded region R is enclosed by graph of f, the x-axis, and the lines x equals 3 and x equals 11. For part B, find the exact volume of the solid formed when R is rotated 360 degrees around the x-axis. So let's get started. For part A, we know that it's integral square of 1 over root 3x minus 6 dx. So we can take the square root out to equal integral 1 over 3x minus 6 dx. And it's easier to write it this way, 3x minus 6 to the power of negative 1 dx. And we can do a substitution of u equals to 3x minus 6, and du therefore would be 3dx. And so it's going to be dx would just equal to 1 over 3 du. So, and therefore we can substitute that value in integral u to the power of negative 1 du 1 over 3 du. We can put it in the front, so it's easier for calculation. Du 1 over 3, and we know that u to the power of negative 1 would just equal to ln absolute value of u plus so we can just add that multiplied by the 1 over 3 again and substitute that 3x minus 6 back to get 1 over 3 ln absolute value of 3x minus 6. However, we know that it's x greater than or 2, so we can just take out this absolute value to get 1 over 3 ln 3x minus 6. And for part B of the question, it's basically asking you to find this region over here. This is 3, this is 11. And it's finding this region here, this area here. And the equation for this is a equals to integral from a to b, then pi y squared dx. Oh wait, sorry, it's volume here. And so therefore that would just be since we got it here, so it's just the same thing as pi integral from 3 to 11, and it's 1 over 3x negative 6 dx. Since we already got the result of integral 1 over 3x minus 6 dx, so we can just use this here. So that's gonna be pi times 1 over 3 minus 6 minus 6 minus 1 over 3 ln 3 times 3 minus 6. So therefore that would just equal to v equals to pi over 3 ln 27 minus pi over 3 ln 3. So that's it for the question. If you have any question, please leave in a comment.